was going to do pancakes, but we'll do this instead. Got a ways to go on that. Some of the rice.
To the next one. You want me to do the rice now?
Yeah, we did. I'll start as soon as I get all this set up.
I put eggs in the rice today. Put in the side.
Yeah. I was thinking that earlier. Do fried rice with egg in it.
So we have sausage, links, Lala, and bacon. Okay, we're putting the biscuit in the toaster, not bread, biscuit, for about 400 and for 12 minutes. Ooh, sausage almost done. Bacon still going. And rice. Okay, so this is the canned biscuits. There's 10 in there. So that is the one in there in the toaster right now. There you go. Call it biscuit. I call it bread. I put cheese on my eggs. It's good. Ooh, Isha will love it. Bacon, rice, sausage, and eggs. Butter. Casey's like, can we eat the cheesecake now? No. No, not right now.
It's ready.
Yeah, just waiting the cheesecake.
But they don't.
She ate last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, Isha just don't eat the blueberries. Sausage is done. Bacon still running. I mean, still going on. Running is just running. Is that finished, Dada? You want me to do it?
Yeah.
So, bacon.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Very long. I just turned it back on, so it's going to take a minute for it to heat up.
Yeah, that's enough. I don't want a lot.
Oh, yeah, baby, that's plenty.
That's bacon.
What you going to throw in there?
Greens.
Hello. I'm looking at miniature
Good morning.
Morning. Morning.
Dada, you think two is enough? 2 eggs? I'm gonna dip the biscuit in my coffee. Where's my coffee? Downstairs?
Yeah.
Sorry guys, our kitchen is so messy.
Well, when you're cooking, that's what happens.
And this is a proof that I can cook. rice.
Like I said, I never questioned whether you could. I just wondering
Hey,
when.
Dada, I've been cooking. Where do you learn adobo anyway? You learned it from me.
Actually, I learned it from that restaurant that we
No
went to
way.
that time.
No, it's not yet. It's not yet warm. I need the garlic, onions.
Let's bring it up a little bit more. What happened to the old video?
I
You close it out? Oh.
Yeah. What is the flashlight?
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Let me know how much. Is that enough for you and me?
Yeah.
That's more than enough for you and me.
Alright, throw your garlic in there. You got a little more bacon grease over there if you need it.
No, I have too much grease already.
That's why I put the onion. We'll put the onion in there.
And I put salt on my fried rice. This is a garlic fried rice with eggs. Yeah, it's been a while since I make it out
It's a
right?
garlic salt with rice.
No. I remember Mylene always make fried rice with soy sauce. I don't. Just want it like, oh, you can smell the garlic now. So garlicky.
And onion.
Yeah, an onion. Ah, makes me miss more the Philippines. In our dirty kitchen there. Oh, Mom don't have the dirty kitchen anymore.
See the timer out there.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Dad, you need something here?
They ended it, and I thought it was running. Now I looked up and I didn't see the timer.
Yeah, if you don't see the timer, it's not running. I think it's not enough, Baba.
That's enough, baby. Once you mix it with the rice, you're gonna mix it, right?
Yeah.
Once you mix it with the rice, it'll be enough.
Alright. So, mix it with the rice. You can see the eggs. Can you? Oh, yeah, you can.
Yeah, you gotta mix it all together.
Oh, God. Guess it's done. That's it. And we have now fried rice, garlic fried rice with eggs.
And now we're going to eat.
Now we have to eat breakfast. Oh, you want to see my plate? You want to see how I pile my plate? Okay. Fried rice. Ooh, actually this is good with the sunny side up egg, but it's fine. Guys, I wash my hands, okay? I get 2 and 3. And oh, there's more bacon, Dada. And 2 bacon. And see, I want you to see how I pile my eggs. And then I complain about gaining weight. And an eggs. Eggs with the rice and more eggs. Oh, this is slippery. Ta-da! And that's my breakfast. After this, cheesecake.
All right, bon appetit.
See? That's my plate in the morning. Oh, I forgot my biscuit. I need the biscuit, guys, or I call it bread in the Philippines. So I can dip this in my coffee.